We often think that birds learn to sing by themselves or that they just imitate sounds. However, that's not the case. Songbirds undergo tutoring and practice to become nature's tansen, just as humans need lessons to learn to sing. The vocal lessons of birds start when they are babies in their nests. Newly born birds listen to and memorize songs from their parents and neighbors. After they move out of the nest, the young birds start to practice. The first songs are messy and unstructured, a lot like the babbling of a child. As they grow older, they further imitate and memorize, and after many months of practice, they settle on a repertoire which then generally stays fixed for the rest of their lives. Some adult birds even learn songs of other bird species and add them to their own repertoire.